Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to give you a little update on my progress this week with my 74 MGB. And it's coming along real nicely. The weather's been really cold, so I haven't really spent a whole lot of time over here. But, it's coming along. We'll have to see what it ends up. I did get my paint in, so paint's ready to go. And I've made some progress with the hood, and starting to fit pretty good. When I bent the hood to make it have a little bit more of a bow in it across here, it cracked some of the paint, so I had to redo all of this. I think this is the way it's going to be. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm not going to worry about it too much more. I do want to start focusing on the electricals to get all the lights working. But I did do a little bit of, but the hood's fitting pretty good up at the top here. The corners look good. It's a little tight here, so I'm going to have to adjust it over, and that may help a little bit. But I'm going to put a little, right here in the corner, I'm going to put a little spacer on this side and that side. So when I adjust it next time, then it will be even on both sides. I did do some work on the inside. As you can tell, I cleaned up the dash really nice. I put a new rheostat switch in right here. This will illuminate the illumination of your gauge as it goes up and down. I also put a new fan switch in. It works for the heater. Got the radio back in, and if you look down here, I installed some speakers that are up out of the way, but I didn't have to cut holes in my doors, so that's pretty cool. But the car is running really good. I ran it the other day. I'm waiting for my steering wheel. So it should get this week, my wooden steering wheel. So I'm waiting to get that on. And if I get some warm weather, I want to get back over here. I do want to get this gauge out, but I'm having a hard time getting in the back and getting the screw off because I want to take this apart and clean it. I did clean this one, and it cleaned up really nice. I like to take them all out, but they're so hard to get to. I mean, your hands go back in here and they come back all torn up. So we'll see how that goes. But got the cover over it right. The radio's working, and looking pretty good on that end of it. The little area back here in the back, I'm going to see how this works. But I touched this up with some a little bit of paint that I had, spray paint, that matched it really well. So I'm going to wet sand everything, and if it looks good, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to mess with it. But I'm still going to paint the front around here, this area around here that was scraped. But I got a little problem with this right here. It keeps bubbling, so I'm going to repaint this, but it should match pretty good. So and then I'm going to have to figure out how to get that screen to go in. I might have to bend the screen a little bit to get it screened, but the bumper looks good, and it looks like it matches pretty good. So that's where we stand this week, and depends on the weather. Maybe I'll spend some time over here this week. I do want to get the top done and get it on. So we shall see what happens. So thanks, share, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks.